Hi there, first graders. I promised you this video so that you can practice this over break. Again, we are reviewing words with short A. This is actually our book to practice reading words with short A in a story. And it's a nice, easy decodable reader for some of you who are just reviewing. And my friends who are learning for the first time with me, that is okay. We go slow and we will learn how to read. And you'll be super readers, which is just the key to knowledge. So bear with me, we're going to read together. I'm going to sound out each word. And it feels slow. So if you want to read the fast way, you can pause the video and read the page and then wait for me. And I'll read it again the fast way all the way through. So if you want to read the whole book the fast way, you can go to about the middle of this video. Let's sound these words out. Dan, and Nan. Dan and Nan is our title. By Evan McDonald, illustrated by Lorinda Bryan Cawley. This is our sight word, and. This is another one, I. An I by itself is the word I. I am Dan, at cat. I am Dan Cat. Sorry about that. Dan, at cat, at sat. Dan Cat sat. I am, Nan, at cat. I am Nan Cat. Nan, at cat, at sat. Dan, at sat. Nan, at sat. Dan sat, Nan sat. Dan, and Nan, can play. Another sight word. We can sound this one out though. I said that kind of slowly. Play. AY is a long A sound. This says Dan and Nan can play. And that's the end of the story. We're going to go back and read it the fast way for my fast readers. Dan and Nan. I am Dan Cat. Dan Cat sat. I am Nan Cat. Nan Cat sat. Dan sat. Nan sat. Dan and Nan can play. The end. So go back and read this again. And you know what? Go slow to become a super reader, and it's okay. Try it again and again. Good luck and happy reading.